Hi guys! Welcome to Abby's Vlogs today.
We're gonna show you how to make creamy carbonara. So I'm gonna show you how to make at home carbonara quickly in a way that's just always delicious, and I'm using simple, beautiful ingredients. So I start really simply with one of the most important thing when making pasta is to season your water. So you want to take a nice big pinch of salt, put it in your water. Pasta will take about 7 minutes to cook. Grab about 2 tablespoons of butter, and then 3 cloves of garlic. Cook it in low temperature. I have 3 slices of bacon here. So let's prepare the sauce. I got 2 eggs here. And add a combination of pecorino and parmesan right into our egg mix. I'm going to add my beautiful melted butter bits of garlic, and added some heavy cream for a creamy carbonara. The bacon is done, and then put the mushroom. Add the fresh parsley. So you want to transfer the pasta into the pan. Add a little bit of water. Grab our sauce. Add a bit of salt. And pepper. And mix it all together. That looks amazing.
Hey guys! Hi guys! Today I'm here as her guest para i-judge yung carbonara niya.
Yeah. So, yeah. Judge mo na. Okay, do the
Let's try
honors.
this.
Yeah. Try it. Ako din, titikim. Okay, this is try.
Super good.
Approve.
So yun guys, natikman na natin yung carbonara ni ate. So, don't forget to subscribe and like.
Yeah. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Abby Guardiano, and see you on my next vlog.